friend, today we are showing you the complete premium screen printing process on a 100 milliliters culture bottle. First, the bottle is deep cleaned. After removing any dust, the surface is wiped with an alcohol-based cleaner to ensure the printing comes out smooth. Next, we prepare the screen that contains the markings for 25 milliliters, 50 milliliters, 75 milliliters, and 100 milliliters. The screen is set on the machine and white ink is evenly loaded onto it. The bottle is placed under the screen in perfect alignment. A single smooth stroke is used to print, giving sharp and clear lines. For culture bottles, we use lab-grade ink that is chemical resistant. After printing, the bottle is placed on the drying rack. In some cases, hot air curing is done to make the print long-lasting. And here it is, the perfect screen printing on a 100 milliliters culture bottle. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.